In this video, I'm going to show you how to use the various control of this constant voltage switching mode power supply SSP-9080. Alright, now this is the control knob for the voltage. Okay, you press the button and you change the decimal point. Alright, similarly for the current, alright, you press, every time you press the button, it just moves one decimal. Alright, okay. Now the next one is this is the output on off button. Now the output is on. Now you won't see any current because the load is not applied to it. Alright, and this is the preset. You have three presets. This is the preset A, and then preset B, preset C. By the way, all these are factory presets, okay? And you can change the preset anytime you like. Alright, change the CC current level, change the voltage, and it will be there. There's no other, okay? So next time you go back there, it will be the last setting you do. Alright, now one thing you have to notice, let's switch off the preset and the output on off. Okay, one thing you noticed that there are two types of imprint, two color imprint. Okay, the orange one is related to the orange one. The function of the orange is related to the function. Okay, now for example, in this one you have the lock and unlock button. Now you can move, you can change the voltage to current, but once if, for example, okay, you set the output, you connect to a low, alright, this setting, you don't want anybody to touch it, you can use the lock function button. Now this is lock. Okay, once this is locked, nothing is working except the lock and unlock button. Alright, you unlock it, then you can move, you can change the setting. So this is the lock button. Now here, because it is a constant power supplied, the swing of the voltage and current changes very fast. Alright, so it is important to set the upper voltage limit and the upper current limit. Now let's see what are the limits. Okay, now you notice the shift is orange. You use this button as a shift button. Okay, give it a light press, the shift light is on, and these volume knob, you have this UVL is the upper voltage limit. You press this, okay, it shows you the setting of upper voltage limit is 36.4. Alright, similarly for the current one is upper current limit. So you press this, it shows you the upper the setting of the upper current limit. Okay, the shift button, all this time the shift button is on. Alright, so if you want to change, for example, the current setting of the upper current limit, alright, to 4.5, okay, 4, alright. Similarly, you want to change the upper voltage limit, okay, to 35, a bit faster, okay, to 35, alright, Okay, let's check. From 5 to 4.54. Voltage limit 35. Okay, so it's all done. Push it here. All right. Now, this is the how to check the upper voltage limit and the upper current limit, and then how to change it. Okay. The next function of this button, okay, when you use it as a menu button, all you need to do is give it a long press, right, until it shows up. Okay, now forget about this one first. I'll go back to it. All right, so if you move the volume knob, this is what we call factory preset. You want to return everything to the factory preset. All right, what to do is, now this is factory preset. You press it. You want to change. Make the power supply go back to factory preset. Yes or no? No. Okay. You want yes. Move the current knob. Okay. Yes. Then press the current knob button. You notice it's more or less like a restart. All right, so this is the factory preset now. Okay, remember we changed the preset setting. Now let's go back to the factory level. All right, remember we changed the upper voltage limit. Let's check the upper voltage limit. Yeah, there was even the current. Okay, go back to the factory preset level. All right. So, okay, this is another function of this button when you use it as a menu. Okay, now we just done factory preset. Let's do some other things. For safety reasons, when you switch on the power supply, the output is off. Okay, now you can make it to the output on. All right, this is for safety reason. Okay, but if there are times we want the power supply to have the output on when the power supply is powered up, okay, we can do it. Now press the menu button continuously until you see this, and then you move the volume knob left or right until you see power up PU. All right, you can press the voltage again. Not again, LST, that means last setting. Power up according to the last setting of the output. If the output on off last setting is on, then it's on. Okay. Now let's confirm it. By press set. All right. Exit from the menu. Exit from the menu. Okay. Then it has changed. So whatever. If the last setting of the power supply output is on, you switch it off, then it will be, when you switch it back again, it will be on. If it is off, you switch it off again, you switch off the main power switch. Next time you switch back, it will be off. Okay, now you've seen the default setting. Okay, now let's set it to output power on. Okay, we switch off the main power switch. Okay, now power up the unit. Now watch this on, because when we switch off, the output is on. All right, okay, now let's set it to off. Switch off the power supply, main switch, power up again, and see. Okay, it's off. So this is what we call the last setting of the output on off status. Okay.